In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. If you're looking to gain insights into your online store's performance and understand your customer behaviors better, setting up Google Analytics is a crucial step. So let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First, you need to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find all the apps that can enhance your Shopify store's functionality. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, it's time to look for the Google and YouTube app. In the search bar, type in Google and YouTube. This app is essential as it will integrate your Shopify store with Google Analytics, allowing you to track data and metrics effectively. After entering your search query, you should see the Google and YouTube app among the search results. Click on it to access the app's page. Here, you'll find more details about what the app does and how it can benefit your store. Make sure it's the right app by checking the description and reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've confirmed that this is the app you want, it's time to install it. You'll notice a button labeled Install. Click on this button to begin the installation process. Depending on your browser and security settings, you might need to confirm the installation before proceeding. Follow any prompts that appear to ensure the app is installed correctly. After installation, you'll need to configure the app to connect it with your Google Analytics account. This step is crucial because it's what enables the data from your Shopify store to be sent to Google Analytics for analysis. Carefully follow any additional instructions provided by the app to complete the setup. This might include logging into your Google account and granting the necessary permissions for data sharing. Once everything is set up, take some time to explore the various features and reports available in Google Analytics. You can use these insights to make informed decisions about marketing strategies, customer engagement, and overall business strategies. Remember, the data you gather from Google Analytics is only as valuable as the actions you take based on what you learn. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Google Analytics on your Shopify store. This powerful tool will help you track your store's performance and gain a deeper understanding of your customers' behaviors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy analyzing!